Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our York University's Future Student account. So let's get started. So to log into your York University's Future Student account, what you can do is just open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for York University Login Future Students. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is log into my file. Now for tapping on that, now what you can do is here you can find future students. So now to log into your account, what you can do is just simply enter your York University number. After entering your York University number, after entering your York University's number, now what you can do is just simply select your date of birth. And after selecting your date of birth, now what you can do is just tap on login. Now after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your York University's Future Student account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.